Hi guys. In this video we are going to see how you can import MKV files in Premiere Pro. By default Premiere Pro does not support MKV files. If you try to import a MKV file in Premiere Pro, it will throw an error like above. But most of the internet videos are compressed in MKV format as it uses less space. So I am going to show you how you can import MKV files with Premiere Pro with the help of a default Windows application. Right-click on the MKV file. Open it with Films and TV application. Don't worry, it is a default application in Windows 10 and 11. On the bottom right you can see a pencil icon. Clicking on that will reveal a trim option. Go to the trim and trim 1 or 2 seconds from your video. After you are done with the trim, click on Save As option on the top right corner. Now choose a file name for your video. Don't forget to change the format to .mp4. Wait until the process completes. Now you can go import the video and enjoy editing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the